If you've been watching my daily vlog, then you know that I have very highly produced videos. But since I am in the middle of a deserted island, I have very slow upload speed. So welcome to the slow upload speed series. All right, so today's tip, what I'm gonna be teaching you is how to get your body closer to a girl's. Why do you wanna learn that? Well, that's because you do wanna start getting closer to her so you guys can end up getting more physical and kissing. And I have a great line for you to use in order to do that. This can be when you first meet her. This works very well on a first date. And here's the line. What you want to say to her, and you want to look at her and you want to say it in like a very teasing, lighthearted, not so serious way. You look at her directly in the eye and you say, "Why are you so far away from me right now?" Just like that. That's the line. Why are you so far away from me right now? And you kind of do it with a little grin like I'm saying right here. Why are you so far away from me right now? When do you say this? No, you don't say it when you first meet a girl in the first 5 minutes. You say this to a girl once you have gained rapport, once you've made a connection with her. This works, like I said, great on a first date because maybe halfway through the first date, you guys are having a great time. She's across the table and you look at her and you say, "Why are you so far away from me right now?" And then you either move closer to her or you have her move closer to you, and then you can go for the kiss. Another thing I want you to learn from this line is that this is me teaching you how to be direct, how to ask for what you want, how to be able to use dominance to move and push the interaction forward. Obviously, it goes without saying you're doing this while making her feel comfortable, but I want to teach you to be more assertive with women. Assertive, meaning you going for the move, you going for the kiss, you being able to make that move, because let me tell you something, she's not going to make it for you. All right, so this is Tripp on the slow upload series. Hope you liked it. Back to our original programming maybe in a few days. I don't know how much longer I'm going to be here, but like I said, video every day. I am guaranteed to do it. Peace out. See you tomorrow.